Welcome to Recipes for You, your go-to channel for natural skincare solutions. Today, we have a special recipe that will leave your skin feeling rejuvenated, youthful, and glowing. Let's dive into how you can create an incredible homemade skincare treatment using simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Let's begin our skincare journey with a fresh, ripe tomato. All we need is one. Did you know? Tomatoes are incredible at fighting skin aging. They're like a natural anti-aging agent. Packed with vitamins and minerals, tomatoes nourish your skin and give it a healthy glow. Now, grate your tomato carefully. This will release all the goodness your skin craves. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There's a world of skincare tips waiting for you. And share this video with your friends too. Let's spread the love for glowing skin. For the best results, always pick juicy, ripe tomatoes. They work wonders in skincare masks. Tomatoes aren't just tasty, they stimulate collagen production, keeping your skin youthful and firm. They also help lock in moisture, reduce wrinkles, and give you tighter, more elastic skin. Now, strain the tomato pulp through cheesecloth, squeezing out all that rich juice. Before we move on, I'd love to know, where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments below. Don't throw away the leftover tomato pulp. We'll use it in just a moment. Now, take a potato, grate it, and prepare to extract some more skincare magic. Raw potatoes are full of skin-loving nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and copper. They're perfect for deep cleansing. Potatoes are also great for reducing acne and pimples. Talk about a natural skincare solution. Now, strain the grated potato through cheesecloth to extract the nourishing juice. Potato juice protects your skin from aging, so it's a must for any skincare routine. Add this fresh potato juice to your tomato juice. This combination is a powerhouse for your skin. Next, let's thicken the mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to help it come together perfectly. Mix everything well, and then heat the mixture over low heat. Watch as it thickens into a creamy consistency. Once it's nice and creamy, take it off the heat and let it cool down. We're almost there. While it cools, let's prepare another amazing ingredient, flax seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of flax seeds to a saucepan and let's make a skin tightening gel. Flax seeds are incredible for your skin. They tighten and firm your skin, helping to prevent aging. Add 200 milliliters of water to the flax seeds and bring it to a simmer. This mixture will work wonders for your skin. Let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until it thickens into a sticky, gel-like consistency. Keep stirring as it thickens, and soon you'll have the perfect flaxseed gel. Once thickened, remove the mixture from the heat and allow it to cool completely. Now, separate the flaxseed gel from the seeds using a cloth to get a smooth, silky gel. Add the flaxseed gel into the cooled tomato-potato mixture for the perfect hydrating mask. Next, add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is a skin superhero. It hydrates, prevents wrinkles, and leaves your skin glowing. Honey works wonders to relieve dryness and soothe irritated skin. Now it's time to apply the mask. Gently massage it onto your face and neck for maximum absorption. Leave it on for 30 minutes, allowing the ingredients to nourish and hydrate your skin. After 30 minutes, rinse with warm water. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and rejuvenated. Store any leftover mask in a small jar. Keep it in the fridge for up to 7 days for a fresh skincare boost. Now, let's move on to recipe 2, a natural scrub using rice powder and tomatoes. Grind 1 tablespoon of rice into a fine powder. Rice is fantastic for retaining moisture and smoothing the skin. This scrub will help reduce wrinkles and leave your skin feeling firmer and smoother. Add the rice powder to the grated tomatoes. The combination will gently exfoliate your skin. Add a spoonful of almond oil. This will help nourish and hydrate your skin, making it softer. Almond oil reduces inflammation and irritation, improving your skin's texture and leaving it smooth. Massage the scrub onto your face, chest, and hands for 3 to 5 minutes. It's a perfect exfoliation treatment. After massaging, rinse with warm water. Your skin will feel refreshed and silky smooth. For best results, use this scrub twice a week for glowing, healthy skin. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing skincare recipes.